Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Meta AI not showing on Facebook. So what is basically Meta AI? It is newly based AI integration in Meta applications. So in order to use this, you have to just simply open up Facebook application on your mobile phone and make sure that you are using the correct version of Facebook. So you have to first simply update your Facebook. After that, you have to just simply go to search bar, and in the search bar here is the Meta application. You guys can see the logo which is circular. So what you have to simply click on it, and here you guys can ask any of the question with the help of AI, and AI will help you in any way. So what if it is not displaying to you on your Facebook? So you have to just simply open up first of all Play Store first, and simply head over to search bar and simply search for Facebook. So after searching for Facebook, you have to just simply open up Facebook and simply click on update if there is any update available. And I'm 100% sure your issue will be resolved in this way. If your issue is still not resolved, you have to just simply open up your phone settings. And in your phone settings, you have to just simply search for apps. And in the apps, you have to just simply open up Facebook. So I'm just opening up Facebook. And in the apps, you have to search for Facebook and simply go to Facebook and go to clear data, and make sure that you are clearing the cache data and simple data of the Facebook, and make sure that you are using the force stop. So after forcing stop, you have to just simply restart the application, and your application will show the your Meta AI. If your issue is still not resolved, you have to just simply reinstall the application and your issue will be resolved in this way. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.